In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to add a return and refund policy on your Wix website. Creating a clear and accessible return and refund policy not only assures your customers about their purchasing security, but also strengthens your professionalism as an online business. Let's dive into the process, which is straightforward and ensures your website complies with standard practices. Start by opening your preferred internet browser. We recommend Google Chrome for its compatibility and speed. Navigate to the Wix website by typing wix.com into the address bar. If you are not already signed in, click on the login button at the top corner of the home page. Enter your credentials to access your Wix dashboard. Once logged in, locate the left panel. This is your control center for editing your website. Click on Menus and Pages, which allows you to manage your site's navigation and add new content. Next, click on the option Add Page. This step is about creating a new dedicated page for your return and refund policy. When prompted, select Blank Page to create a clean slate where you'll input your specific policy details. Name your new page Return and Refund Policy to ensure clarity and easy navigation for your visitors. After naming the page, click Done. This action saves your settings and brings you to the newly created page where you'll add the actual content of your policy. To do this, first, click on the page in the left sidebar to open it. Now let's add the policy content. Click on the Add Plus icon, or you might see it labeled as Add Elements on the Wix editor. From the options that appear, select Text. Opt for Paragraphs. This pre-formats your text, ensuring it's readable and professional. You'll be presented with different text styles. Choose one that aligns with the aesthetic of your website while maintaining readability. It's always a good idea to keep your text style consistent with the rest of your site for a professional look. Once you've selected your text style, it's time to input your policy content. You can either write it directly in the text box or paste a pre-written policy if you have it ready. Remember to be thorough, ensuring your policy covers all necessary areas such as conditions for return, refund procedures, and any potential fees. The final step is to save and publish your new page. Click the Save button to ensure all your work is secure. Once saved, click on Publish to make the page live on your site. This action allows your customers to view and access your return and refund policy. Congratulations! You've successfully added a return and refund policy to your Wix website. This step is crucial for maintaining transparency with your customers and providing them with assurance about their purchases. By following these steps, you've made your website more user-friendly and customer-oriented. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.